Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to place anything in perspective in Photoshop. Let's get started. So I have the building I want to use here. I'll be using this part of the building to place the picture in. I'll be using this lovely picture here. So I'll go ahead and drag the picture into this place that I want to put it in. Zoom out. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I want to add like some effects to this picture. So I'll go ahead and go to filter, Mural filters, and then I'll go ahead and select the kind of effect that I want. So I'll click on style, transfer, and then I would select any of these effects here. So I'll go ahead and pick the first one and just wait for it to load up. Okay, good. You can decide to check out other effects that you like to see the one that you prefer. So you wait for it to load up, and when it's done, you click OK. And there we have our stylized photo. So the next thing I'll do is I'm going to convert this to a smart object. I'll right click and click convert to smart object because I want to reduce the size and I don't want to lose any pixels. So I'll click Command T, transform, and I'll reduce the size and see if it's going to fit in this place. Okay, this looks good. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is click on the thumbnail of this picture here. I'll right click on it and click select pixels, and then I'll just click Command C to copy. Okay, and I'll click Command D to deselect. I'll go to the background layer and click on the plus icon here to add a new layer or create a new layer. While the new layer is active, I'll hide the topmost layer, that's the picture. I'll go ahead and hide it. Then I'll click filter and vanishing point. Then I'll go ahead and select create plane, and then I just want to pick the area that I want to paste the picture and just drag the lines. And that's good. There I have it. I can even move it around. So I'll just put it there. That's where I want it. Then I'll go ahead and paste the selection I copied earlier. I'll click Command V to paste. And here I have the picture, and I'll just go ahead and drag it inside the perspective selection that I created, or the plane I just created, and the picture is going to go onto the wall. Okay, and I'm satisfied with this. I'll go ahead and click on OK, and this looks amazing. And you can also decide to feather to erase part of the edges, the sharp edges, if you want. If you don't want it to look like a sticker, you can go ahead and create a layer mask. Click on add vector mask, and I'll go ahead and pick up my brush tool and make sure the flow is 100%. The opacity is at 50, or you can reduce it. You can adjust the numbers as you wish. I'll make sure my foreground color is black. Then I'll increase my brush size by using the bracket keys, and then I'll just erase the sharp edges. You can take down my flow to 50 as well, and just erase part of the sharp edges. Okay, this looks good. And you can also do this for text or anything that you would like to place in perspective in Photoshop. Then another step, if you want to maybe adjust the color of the wall to maybe like purple to fit in with the color of the image or the mural, you can go ahead and select the picture itself, that's the background. Then you add hue and saturation layer, and then you go ahead, since the color of the wall or the brick is red, you select red, and then you adjust the hue and it's going to change the color for you. So you can also do this to make it fit in properly. Okay, so this is another way, this is another easy way to change colors as well, colors of anything. So I just make it this way so it's gonna fit in with the picture. This looks amazing. And that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you found this helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now.